Hi everyone, it's Kami Trader here, and today I'm gonna show you 4 important details to successful trading on pocket option, on binary options, and to be successful in the trading. So let's start. We're gonna start as usual with choosing the assets with the biggest payout and as much as possible to fit in the screen. I told you about the asset, more interesting details in my previous videos, so just watch it. It will be interesting and useful for you. Also, I choose the candles for 30 seconds, enable all the timers. Also today I'm gonna use the oscillator and the super trend indicators and correct them a little bit. And here we're gonna put one as well. And here we are ready to trade. We're gonna use the time frame for 1 minute and $100. So 4 important things on the market to understand. First of all is the indicators. You have to choose the right indicators for the right situation on the market. For example, here by the indicators, not using the technical analysis, I can understand that we have the buyers on the market, that we have the trend for the higher movement, and that gives you the opportunity to sometimes to cheat a little bit and have the free space where you're just looking to the indicators and giving you the moment to put the trade in the motion. Also, they help you when you don't understand some situations on the market, and very important to know all the indicators to understand which indicators use in the right moment in the right asset, because sometimes, for example, I'm choosing the 2 assets for today, but then I'm looking for the situation and I'm like, maybe I need a view from another indicator. So that is very important to understand how to work with the indicators, how to understand them, and how to win with them. And guys, just so easily the first profit came into our wallet, and I think that is just amazing. So the second point that you have to understand is the trends of the market. For example, you can understand that here we have the trend for the lowering position, and that's a known rule. Don't go against the crowd. You can see that the crowd is going for the lowering position on the market, and we have the trend for the lowering situation. So you just have to understand. I know some people that who don't understand what's happening on the market, and they just probably there it's just going lower. So they don't understand that we have trends that is very important influence from the buyers, and you just have to understand that very easily and very clearly. And the third thing that coming from here is to understand that the trading, that the binary options is the same market as in the usual life. So we have the buyers and the sellers here, and guys, while I was telling you, we already have the second profit, and I think that just amazing just by understanding the trend. So the binary option is the same market as in the usual life. We have the buyers and we have the sellers, and from that our price and our candles is consistent. For example, on the oscillator we can see that we don't have a lot of buyers right now, so that's why the price probably gonna go to the downwards position. Also, we can understand that from the small volume of candles, it's telling us that probably now nobody wants to buy, and now the people who sell is more interested in that, so that's why the price is falling, and that is perfect moment to put the price in. As you can see, we have the breaking line right now, and that is very important to understand. It's just the basics of the economic, and I think that is very interesting and very important and useful when you're gonna understand that the binary option is the same market. And guys, we have the profit again just using this information, just understanding how the market works. So sometimes people ask me what to read more to understand the binary options, the trading. I'm gonna tell the usual economics, because it's the same rules of the market as in the real life, and I think it's gonna help you to change your ideas about the market and change your strategies into the trading. So that is very important. And also the third thing that is very important is the points of view and the asset. assets. So you have to choose the asset which you understand. Don't care about which the percent of payout you choose. You just have to understand what's happening on the market right now, and then you just have to find the perfect moment to put the trade in. So let's understand what's happening in this deal. For example, I saw that we had the trend for the higher positions right here, so we were going higher here, and then I saw that we don't have a buyers, and that gonna be a breaking line moment, so we probably gonna push the price downwards right here. It probably gonna fall, so I caught the perfect moment to put the trade in, because it's gonna be just the curve moment of the market, and that is the best point to put the trade in the motion. Also, just first look on the asset, and I understood that it's pretty understandable. I understand what's happening here. Yes, we have the movement, we had the maximum right here, and probably we're gonna compensate this movement, and that is what's just happening. So let's make one more deal with all this information, because I think that is very important basis of the trading that you have to know. Okay, let's just choose the assets which one we understand the best. So for example, no, this is not a very understandable one. Okay, let's choose took this one out and add this one. For example, let's add these ones and let's see what's happening here on these assets, so we have some new information to consume. For example, here, very nice situation. We just saw that the price went very highly. We saw that market working with the curves. I understand that very clearly, so I understand market working with the curves. So I understand. I'm looking to the market and I understand that market works with the curves. We had the maximum. Now we're going to the minimum situation very nicely. We have the trend for the lowering position. I can see that we don't have a lot of buyers on the moment, so probably the price gonna be falling. And also I caught very nice moment to put the trade in the motion, and also I use the indicators that help me to understand this situation more clearly, more detailed. So just few seconds, guys, and we're gonna have the profit, mark my word. 1, 2, 3, and guys, we having the profit, and that is just amazing. So I think that this video was useful, and I hope it was very interesting for you. And if you have any type of question, don't forget to write me in my private messages in Telegram. I'm more than happy to answer to it. Also, don't forget that I have absolutely free Telegram channel where I give you free signals online and you can trade with me. I think that is just amazing opportunity, and moreover, if you're just a beginner, that is amazing opportunity to start. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and put the likes on. Bye bye.